We are putting OpenCode, Cloud and Codex head to head to find out which AI deserves a spot in your workflow and which one is overhyped. So OpenCode, it's designed for fast, developed focused code generation with a light workflow. It's built to help programmers generate snippets, debug faster, and automate repetitive coding tasks. The Cloud Code actually is powered by Anthropic's cloud models and focus heavily on understanding large code bases, reasoning, and more structured code. Whereas the Codex here is the AI model behind many modern coding assistants. It's trained specifically on programming languages and can generate full function scripts and even small applications from plain English prompts. So the pros of these three platforms, like OpenCode, is fast and lightweight. It's great for quick snippets and automation, and you have an easy learning curve for beginners especially. Whereas the Cloud Code here has excellent reasoning and debugging features, in handles complex code bases quite well, and it has cleaner and more readable outputs. The codex here is extremely versatile across multiple languages. It has strong autocomplete and code generations, and also it has a great ecosystem and integrations. But on the downside here, um, the codex occasionally produces outdated patterns and it requires human review before the production use. And cloud as well, sometimes it's slower in process responses and can over explain simple tasks. And open code here is less powerful on large scale products and can struggle with advanced logic. So these are the downsides of this. But if you're a beginner, you are just starting out, open code, okay, open code might probably the best and easiest and fastest way to boost your productivity without feeling overwhelmed. And for professional developers, cloud code, if you especially if you work on large application or complex systems, cloud code stands out because of its reasoning and code understanding. But if you're after like speed and versatility, if you want the most flexible all-rounder for generating code across multiple languages, then Codex is still one of the strongest choices for you. So at the end of the day, the best AI code generator depends on how you code.